Can you say duck?
Duck.
Yeah, yellow lion. What's this, Jack?
Duck.
It's a duck. Say duck.
Duck.
Good job. Okay, there's the lion. What's this? What's this, Jack?
A duck.
A duck. Oh, I know. What? Say duck.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Duck.
Duck. Oh, it's a soft duck. Oh my goodness, Jack, you are so smart. Can you say bear? Or frog? That's a cool book, too. Okay.